We got Chris Blakesley on.
I'd say Luke's on.
We're out here. We got the whole gang. Luke the Kook, Willie Jisman.
Let's get it.
Special guest Rad Breddington.
Let's go.
About to put us on some fish. Got you old Dirty Mako. Ricer Nation, Luke. Stopped in the pocket to get some chum, and these gentlemen offered us some live bait. Ain't gonna turn it down. Looks like we ain't gotta stop and catch bait.
We'll take them. Good sailfish bait.
And Luke, Ricer Nation out here. You want to let them know what's going on, Brad?
Right here at 120. Got a bunch of live bait and some chum. What's next? What you got? Damn, we pulled up into a school or something.
Everybody hooked up at once besides me. I just have my rod sitting in the rod holder back
Joe,
here.
I'm sorry, but I don't think I can chase that down right now.
Joe's putting the heat on it with the 8K.
Let him run, Joe. Let him run. You got plenty of line on that rod, don't you?
Oh, Luke's about to get pulled in.
Yo, watch the line. I'm straight down.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out all your way. Everybody got tied at once.
I feel like I'm on your line.
Now Joey's got, what is that?
Bonita.
Bonehead?
Damn, I got a bonita.
You let a bonito work you like that, bro?
What are you talking about?
I think it was working you, dude. Oh, Luke's got a king or something. Yeah, I saw that shit.
Mine was bonita. I pulled the hook on that.
Where?
Can I hold that for a sec? Damn, he swallowed most of it.
Oh yeah, he ate that. Claiming I'm missing content, but it's just gonna be something trash. Luke doesn't catch nothing good.
Tail snagged, fucking 40-pound king. You see that bait right there, Joe?
Yeah, it was mine on my line.
Right there, there's something big. It honestly feels tail hooked as fuck. Yeah, yeah, like I think it might be good. Wrapped up on it or something.
A Kisney?
Maybe, it's a gotham.
Cone bed.
You definitely hooked something and it got sharp.
Luke putting in the work.
I got sharp.
100%.
This is with 50-pound leader too? Oh no, what do you have?
Nah, he's got a little centimeter of wire on there.
Oh, you're on.
Here, hold it. You gonna tighten your drag, bearer? Tighten your drag. Luke, the kook's still on. Oh, I'm getting 8. Here.
Dolphin, Joe, you got a dolphin on.
Oh, nice.
Little mahi. Hey, you still got him up.
Hey. Yeah, I knew my junk was gone.
Alright, you can see
Oh.
the shark now.
Oh yeah. Luke's 100% a shark down there. Joey hooked up on the dolphin. Brad got us in a chaotic spot.
Boy. That's what you got is a giant.
Yo. If this is a dolphin and there's stuff around it, I'm gonna hand someone the rod and I'm getting in.
Alright.
It's 100% a dolphin.
Well, yeah, I know it's a dolphin.
We
but
saw
if
it jump.
There's more dolphin around it, I'm getting in for sure.
Brad brought us to the action spot.
I'm sorry. I produced
Meat. Luke got a kingfish.
Look at that
Chris, you wanna unhook me?
No. I ain't reaching my hand in there. Here, I got pliers right here actually.
Put that thing in the boat, bro.
Is it small?
Yeah. But it's cheaper. A sandwich and a half.
Nice.
Yo, is anyone around it?
No. You would've seen him by now.
That's a keeper, son.
It's a nice one. Here, bring this hooker up here.
Make sure you get that hook.
Yep.
Grab the fin if you want.
We are Chris Blakesley on one of them sharks, boy. Big old kingfish.
Where are the pliers at?
Spinning the whole boat around. Alright, just like yours. Probably another one of them sharks. Kinda, it was. You do have a big old sailfish start jumping.
Might be a nice fish.
How's the head shake?
It's feeling fishy.
Yo, do any of you have Shin Gary on Snapchat?
Sugar?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We saw him.
Marlin.
Yeah.
I know. I was on the phone with him on the way to Wawa when I was getting gas. Where do you think we're at right now?
Where?
Not an 8-foot though, but
He said it was more like 100, 120. That's about where we're at right now. We're going up 110.
You got color yet?
no color.
Very slow gains on this fish, whatever it is.
sea turtle. It's about to breach.
Turtle soup, turtle soup. Still no color.
I think he smoked you.
Yeah, it did. You didn't hear it?
Yeah, I heard it. I'd say Luke's on. He's probably snagged up on some seaweed.
Yeah, I'm doing double header city.
Double header. This is actually a fish, he says.
Wait, actually a small king?
Get him in the boat. That's not a small king. Yeah, that's a nice little king. That's a nice king, though, I'll tell you what. Get him in the boat. Joey, grab the camera, I'm gonna grab the gaff. Stop retiring here.
Meat in the box. Not in the box until I get off of it.
Alright, somebody take this camera, I gotta retie. It's a fucking...
Oh man, you're still on him. You're still on him. So Joey hooked up to a nice fish, and Luke just unhooked that fish that I was fighting forever. Found out it was a shark, unfortunately. Luke put a nice king in the box, and we're waiting to see what Joey's got. Smoked that reel like a damn tuna. And it is a big old bonehead.
I'll see you guys in 30 minutes.
5 seconds later, Luke's on another shark.
Smoker king.
And he's coming up for you, dude. I told you, dude.
That's a bigger shark, just ate him.
That's a bigger shark, just ate it.
It's a grouper.
It's a gag, dude. I want that gag funky.
What if it's like actually like something?
What if it actually was a gag, yeah?
Look at that.
What if, bro?
Like straight anchor. I caught mud in 120 with a chum bag. I've caught him trolling.
I bet.
This big ball with the chumps like that. On the bottom and then just fucking.
I've seen him come up in the hole.
Yeah, dude, they're coming from piles. That's a big shark. If you really want to see that shit happen, you gotta go home.
Get him, boy. Get him, boy.
Oh!
Alright, I'll check back in when you're about to unhook that deal. Brad, can we get out of your shark spot, bro? Please. Hey. Grunt? Oh, nice. Shy.
Oh my god.
Damn, dude. Sitting over the action patch. Basically ran through all our bait. I'd say it was about a half an hour, dude.
We had a good amount of bait.
We caught a lot of fish in a half an hour. Brad's gonna chase this thing down because he doesn't want to go through what me and Luke had to. And yeah, I think we might stop at some dive spots on the way in. Luke and Joey brought their gear.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, no. She died.
Oh, that's nice. At least you didn't have to deal with it all the way up. Luke, bro.
Yeah. I think I outfished everyone today.
That's funny. You caught a kingfish and a shark, dude. I'd take the dolphin over the kingfish, dude.
Joey caught a rainbow runner.
So when were you planning about telling them about your tanks?
That's after fishing. That's after you kill all their buddies.
You want to tell them a little bit about your tanks?
It's my 75-gallon African cichlid tank.
Got a little prawn in there or whatever. What is that? A crawfish? Something?
It's a little actually St. Lucie River style shrimp. Straight out the river. So
Crazy looking hooker.
it's supposed to be saltwater, but he's living in fresh.
That's crazy.
Yeah, mostly just a bunch of African cichlids that are pissed off.
How about these two saltwater deals?
It's now a little 26-gallon Sea View. It's a pretty dope little setup. I like it.
Everything's alive.
Everything's all alive. All live coral, live rod, live fish.
And this guy.
Little 10-gallon reef guy. It's just got the clownfish, the damsel, the puffer, some little rasp we caught on Sabiki.
He's hiding. Looking straight at the camera.
That'll size you up.
Oh, she'd come out and give the camera a look at him.
That's about it besides the other 5-gallon reef tank I got in the bathroom.
Oh, word? I didn't even see that one.
It's just a damsel and a clownfish.
Oh, word?
There's a peppermint shrimp in there somewhere.
That's dope. Well, quick tank check with Rod Bredington after we were fishing.
Gotta have the beta fish.
The bathroom beta.
Need to clean them.
Needs a severe cleaning. Probably doesn't look that bad on camera. Hell yeah, dude.
Yes, sir.
I think that's gonna have to be the end of the video right there. Luke filleting up that nice kingfish. Joey attempting to fillet that little dolphin.
Tempting.
Having a tough time over here. Mako puppy dog. Brad's scrumming up the boat. It was a good day. I hope y'all tune in for tomorrow's episode of fishing.